Hello, YouTube. How's everybody doing today? How was everybody's Memorial Day? Y'all have a good Memorial Day. Stay safe. Didn't drink and drive. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. I did. As you can see, I made those nice pork belly burnt ends. They come out amazing. Today we're going to be making lollipop chicken. I have next couple weeks. We'll be doing a lot of camping, fishing, everything. But for right now, I just figured I'd do some cooking videos, get the things, get the feel of it all. So yeah, I already did up some. I left 4 of them to show you guys how to do it and everything. I'm gonna wrap it with onion and then put them on the smoker. So let's get going. I'll bring you guys in a little closer. So here, we're going to be making lollipop chicken, these today. So what you do there is we're going to take these. You want them to sit flat. You don't, they fall over, right? All right. Put this over here, stay. We're going to cut the bottom off just to get it flat. So she'll sit up like that. Or whatever. You know how it is. All right. You take off the knuckle, and you peel them back, peel them off, and that's what you got left. And then you take your lollipops, and you push them down. Skin's all down on them, get them nice looking pretty, and that's what they look like. So again, we'll peel these off. Now, I already started peeling these off, but they do take a little bit a little bit of strength. You want to take the tendons and just cut them off, because they'll just melt away anyway. Now you do have that little bone right there. Just be careful not to stab yourself with it. I usually leave it on. Ah. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I nicked my finger. Instead of cutting the chicken, I cut my finger. Not too bad. Just a nick. I did get it taken care of before anything more happened. So don't have to worry about no contamination. And yes, I cleaned my cut. Don't heckle me too much. All right, so like I said, we push these down like this. See how you got that little thing right there? That's the knuckle. Get rid of the knuckle. And then you get a flat surface. So we'll clean this up. When you do cooking competitions, everything's got to be neat and perfect. Cut these little tendons off. They pretty much melt away anyway. And stack them like that. Again. Peel that back. Put your finger right there. And then rip it off. And it should all come off nice and neat like that. Right? There. A few little tendons, those are all right. So there. And that's your lollipop chicken. Usually if I had any tinfoil, I'd wrap the ends of it so it doesn't burn the bone, but they'll be all right. They'll be okay. I think I'm going to cut some onion and wrap them in onion. season them all first. Let's throw this all out. There. Alright. Wipe the knife off. Wipe the scissors down. I'll wash these later. Now let's cut our onion. I'm gonna cut there. There. Huh. Sometimes those are easy to peel, sometimes they're a pain in the ass. I don't have a composting bin, but I think I would like to get one this year and try it. I've never composted. Alright, so we're going to peel these back like this so they stay intact. Peel them back without breaking them, like that one. I don't know how many I'm going to get out of this, but might have to cut up another one. But that's okay, because I'll just smoke the rest of the onion on there anyway. Alright, so let me go get one more onion. Alright. Cut up another one. Alright. Oh yeah. Yeah, get rid of this. Oh. And that one. Do it gently. I might just leave a couple plain. That'll be all right. There. I might be able to get one more out of this. Oop, no, we're not. So, all right. Put this aside. Put these aside. Got some garlic and pepper seasoning. I usually use SPG. We'll get these all seasoned up. Give them a light coat, because this chicken will absorb all the flavor in it. We'll give her a good quick sprinkle. Like that. Like that. Let's get the smoker going. Leave it on 225. Now I'll just sprinkle salt right in there. Using some hickory smoke. This tastes really, really good. Give it some of that. All right. Wrap our chickens up in them. Out of here. Like that. Now these will go for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Probably a little longer than an hour and a half with the smoke, with the wrapped up in onions. Oh, we might be able to get a couple more in here. Oh yeah, look at that, huh? See if we can get one more. Think we can? Who's got a bet that we can get one more? I'll have my car fixed this weekend. I got my CV axle. So I'll be putting that back together this weekend. And then we can go do some fishing. I like to go fishing. I'm excited to go fishing. Yeah. So we've got our onions wrapped right like this. Oh. There's your lollipop chickens. Alright, so here those are. Check them out. I'm not going to salt and pepper the onion because got enough seasoning on them already. Today we're still using the same pellets, hickory oak. But yeah, temperature up to 131. Get them up to 200 and I'll be back. Oh, and I had to get my coffee. Take caramel coffee, 2 sugars, 2 creams, shot of espresso. Love it. Absolutely love my iced coffee. But yeah, couple weeks, going to be getting a kayak. Probably next weekend, or maybe during the week we'll go fishing. I got a few good spots I want to go try out and everything. I know everybody out there likes fishing, camping, hunting. I don't know about hunting so much anymore. Can't get around like I used to. But that's what they make tree stands for, right? That's right. We got some showers coming. Check this out, guys. Look how black that sky is. We are going to have some showers coming right off. I'll give you a little update on the well. I got the old pitless adapter out. Got the new one. I got everything I need. But the holes in the well casing are too big for the other one to fit in. So I've got to fabricate something to go inside the hole. Put 2 pieces of metal on each side that'll hold the new pitless adapter from falling in. Or breaking or whatever. I got the line pulled up yesterday. I got everything all taken apart. Now I just got to get that fabricated and everything, and then put the new pitless adapter in. Drop the well pump down. I got to get a couple bumpers that go on the line, so when it kicks on, it doesn't bang into the well case and chew up my wires. So eventually I'll have to change them again, but it'll keep them from smacking into each other. Don't mind the hair. Bad hair day. Sweaty. Worked all morning on that. Then I had to run to Wally World. You know, our famous Walmart. Who likes shopping at Walmart? I do when I got the money. Our temperature's 220. And climbing, 222, make a wish. Alright, they're good enough to put on right now. That's fine. They're good to go right now. Let's get them into the smoker. Alright. I'll line these up like this. Get them set up there. Line them up. Get them all going. Yeah. Now it'll soak up the flavor of these onions and everything. So that'll make it taste even better. Even better. So, alright. We'll come back out when they're done. I'll show you the finished product. Hey guys, let's check these out. Ooh. They're looking pretty good. Turn them a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna put, I smoked some onions last night on the smoker. We're probably just gonna throw them on here until the other ones are done. Put some barbecue sauce on them. This is the homemade barbecue sauce I made the other day. There we go. You know what? That's not going to work. Let's just pour some over it. Oh, yeah. Now we'll let them go for another hour and they'll be good to go. Hey everybody. These are done. Done. That's off. Let's get these out of here. See what they look like. Look at that. Whoopsie. That's alright. We're going to eat that one anyway. Get our onions out. If you ain't never had smoked onions, I'd really advise you to try it. You take about an hour and a half to 2 hours. But if you want them more tender, you can leave them on there longer. It ain't going to hurt nothing. Not a bit. Look at that. Look how done that is, huh? Nice smoke ring right there. See how it should taste. Look at that. It's actually really, really good. Really good, everybody. Well, all right, everybody. That's going to do it for this one. Subscribe. Hit the like. Hit the notification bell. You know, when you guys subscribe, it's showing YouTube that YouTube's pushing me out there. So please come subscribe to my channel. Like it. Share it. I've got more exciting things coming on really, really soon. just trying to get through some of the kinks and bumps and stuff like that, and then we'll be good to go. But yes, please share, subscribe, and like, and leave down in the comment section if you smoke, what you smoke, if you've what you've tried. You know, give me some ideas. Give me some ideas and something that you want to see, and I'll make it happen. So until next time, thank you all for joining. See you later.